Hello student, today's question is what do you mean by World Trade Organization or WTO, and write the importance of WTO in globalization. So the answer is World Trade Organization WTO is one such organization whose aim is to liberalize international trade. Started at the initiative of the developed countries. WTO establishes rules regarding international trade. Nearly 160 countries of the world are currently member of WTO. WTO is supposed to allow free trade for all in practice. On the other hand, WTO rules have forced the developing countries to remove trade barriers. It supported the liberalization of foreign trade and investment in India. According to WTO, all barriers to foreign trade and investment are harmful. There should be no barrier. Now the next question, what are the special economic zone SEZs? Why have they been set up? So the answer is SEZ or a special economic zone are the special zone where world class facilities like water, electricity, roads and transportation, the education are available. They have been set up to promote foreign companies to interest in India. The companies with production units in the SEZ do not have to pay taxes for the initial force of 5 years. Next question, why do people generally move from one country to another? People move from one country to another due to the following reasons. First reason, people migrate from one country to another in search of better living standard. Second point, they move from one country to another in search of better crops. Next, they also move for the purpose of better education. What are the government steps to attract foreign investment? In recent years, the central and the state government in India are taking special steps to attract foreign companies to invest in India. The first is they have set up industrial zone which are called special economic zones. Companies who set up production units in SEZ do not have to pay taxes for initial 5 years. Next is government has also allowed flexibility in a labor law. Next, the companies can hire the workers on temporary basis and on cheap rates. Next question, in what way an MNC is different from the national companies? So the first point related to MNCs. MNCs own production in more than one country, while national company controls production within the country. Next point in the favor of MNC, it set up offices and other factories in regions where they get cheap labor and resources. And in the support of national company, it has no such options. Next point in the favor of MNCs, it can earn greater profits. And in the support of national company, it has no such scope to earn greater profit. Now the next last question, what is the role of MNCs in the globalization process? So first point, globalization is the rapid integration of global economy through which countries interlink in a variety of ways. Second point, globalization has enabled improvement in trade and communication with different countries. Next point, MNCs are multinational corporations which have set up production in more than one countries. Next, MNCs are producing as well as selling in many countries, so they are interlinking the economies of these countries. So, all the students, please complete and write the notes and send these notes in my WhatsApp number.